Good afternoon, friends. Now I would be showcasing here in this particular video, and I welcome you all to see as to how to plot horizontal bar graphs. Now, again, here I'll be sharing each and every line before I could run the entire code. Import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. That's the first thing, so that I can go ahead and plot my bar graph. And then the next one is plotting sometimes requires RC defaults also. This is nothing but one of the packages that is used in order to draw the graphs. If you want, you can, so that I'll tell you later on as to why we require these things also side by side. Now import numpy as np, then import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt, which I have done, and it's a repetition of it only. Now first and foremost, what I'm going to do it is I'm going to create entire string of names. Now here you can see that I have got Ramani, Nishant, Anu, Twinkle, Samya, Ishita, Jyoti, Saki, Rashi, Bandhu as the names of the students, or you can say individuals who have given the test and their marks are there. So how many of them are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of them. Now here what I'm going to do it is the entire string of the names which have been placed within the double quotes are to be saved in a data frame which is called as names1 that I have taken care of. Now here I have to arrange y underscore position, that is in short I have written as POS. That is another data frame wherein I'm going to arrange these names in a proper order so that it can be taken care on the y axis. Now once I run, you would be able to see them. Now marks1 is another data frame which I have created wherein the numbers, a string of numbers, I would say a chain of numbers in the form of marks have been arranged out. So you can say Ramani, it is 65, Nishant, it would be 70, Anu scored 52, Twinkle scored 45, Soumya has 89, Ishita had 95, Jyoti had 99, Saki had 82, Rashi had 32, in fact, and Bandhu had 67. So this is how I'm going to do it. Now, in order to plot the bar graph in the horizontal manner, I don't have to do anything. I'll simply key the words plt.bar and insert H. Now H stands for bar graph, which has to be in the horizontal manner. So it is a horizontal bar graph. Y pos, that would be the position wherein the names have been arranged out. I will not be. So you can see that Y pos as a data frame was created out here. It was created so that I can go ahead and rather than writing the entire chain of the names, I would be using this particular data frame. So this will help me to insert all the names on the y axis in that particular data frame also. Okay, so that's one thing. Secondly, you can see that yes, alignment, it has to be in center. Marks1 is the data frame for the marks. Alignment, it has to be in center of that particular entire graph that has been drawn out. Alpha, as I told you, it is nothing but an attribute which helps us to see how the the shade of that particular color would be. Now here you see purposely I have not gone ahead and inserted any value for the color. So we will see what is the default color also, and the transparency attribute has been taken care by alpha value set at 0.5. Now here you will see that plot white text. Now I haven't yet shared that part of it wherein I can go ahead and even give the names to the text, the major texts which are present on the spines of y axis and the x axis, you can say. So y text would be y underscore pos, and that would be names1, whereas on plotting on x label, it turns out to be y results, and plot title is our report, and then I'm asking it to showcase to it. So let me go ahead and run the entire code so that you are able to see as to what kind of graph I would be getting it, and that also in the horizontal bar graph. So here it's taking some time for the code to run basically. Now once it is taken care of. So here you can see what kind of figure we have got it basically for our graph. So you will see that yes, this is how certain things which are available to us can be taken care of. So I have got the results on the x-axis. You can see here on the title is our report. The names have been very neatly arranged out on the y-axis also. So here I have not given the label. If I want, what I can do it is I can go ahead and I can even insert y label, and then I can get the names also. For example, here I can simply write plot dot y label. Here we go, label, and this would be what in brackets. You can simply insert, and in single quotes you can write names 1, or you can simply write names and then again run the entire code to see what we are going to get it. And here you will find it out that yes, names have been seen across this one also. So our report is that the title of this entire horizontal bar graph, results are also there, names are also there, and I have given the names of the name as the y label also. So this is how we are going to plot for the horizontal bar graph. So I think this is an interesting one. So let me come up with yet another bar graph and we will see more varieties of it. Till then, thanks and take care. Bye.